Annyeonghaseyo, it's me Luciana. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I will share Korean summer makeup. Let's get started. First, I will use skincare to hydrating my skin before using makeup. This is toner face mask. It's very calming to face. Use it for 5 until 10 minutes, then remove. Your skin will hydrating and calming at the same time. Next, I use double serum multi balm on my face. This balm is very good for moisturizing and smooths my skin. I also use eye cream to prevent dark circle and use cream for hydrating more to my skin. Looks delicious, super hydrating. I love it. Also, don't forget to put your sunscreen to avoid sunburn. For best makeup, I use toneup cream. Then I use cushion for my face because cushion is light onto my face and easy to bring to go anywhere. Next step, I create contour on my jawline, blend it, and my face looks small little bit. For next step, I use loose powder and blend it with sponge because with sponge the result will look smooth. See the result. Next, I draw my eyebrow. Don't forget to put blush on. I use the coral shade and pink shade. For eye, I use the nude color. For second layer, I use dark brown color, so my eye look more bigger. The color looks so good, right? And last, I use the glitter eyeshadow, so my eye look more lively. I'm shaping my eye with red eyeshadow. That look good. See? It look beautiful. Don't forget to glitter eyeshadow for under eye. Don't forget to put eyeliner. For lip, I draw the lip liner first, then fill my lip with lipstick. Don't forget the mascara. And done. Here's the final look. That look good with hair, but I think there is something lack. Oh, I want to braid my hair. Now it looks more cute with braid, hair, and I think I'm beautiful with this makeup. If you like, you can try this makeup too. Let me know if you try this makeup. Thank you for watching. Annyeong!